Don't let your next dinner party be a flop. Instead, ignite the action with a fish fry. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee Registered Dietitian, and today I'll show you how to take your cooking to the next level with my drool-worthy recipe for Oven-Fried Chili-Lime Tilapia. To get started, line a large rimmed baking pan with foil. Then, coat it with nonstick spray. Next, place 1 pound of fresh green beans and 8 ounces of halved red radishes in the pan for a double dose of antioxidants and vitamin C. Drizzle your veggies with 2 tablespoons of heart-healthy olive oil, then sprinkle them with a half teaspoon of sea salt and a half teaspoon of ground black pepper. Coat the sides of your tilapia with 2 more tablespoons of olive oil and brush them to spread it evenly. Once that's done, toss the fish in a tasty breading mix made from 1½ cups of Soiree Parmesan cheese, a ½ cup of panko breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of salt-free Fiesta lime seasoning, and a sprinkling of lime zest. Perfect! That's coming along nicely. Once the fish are fully coated, place them in your baking pan along with the vegetables and cook for around 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Experts recommend eating seafood at least twice a week for lean protein and extra nutrients. Once it's fully cooked, you can garnish your tilapia and veggies with lime wedges for a zesty finishing touch. Find this recipe at Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, connect with your local Hy-Vee dietitian at Hy-Vee.com/health.